But before that, I'll take you through a small journey of my entrepreneurship and the ventures which I did and the reasons why I did what I did. I was talking about extreme reversion. There's an industry, it's called the willow industry in Kashmir. This industry is where you make these, this is called a kangri, above. You burn coal in it and it's used by everyone almost in Kashmir to keep yourself warm during winters. This is an industry because of the electronic heaters coming in, this industry was dying, it was facing a lot of challenges. Whenever I used to come back to Kashmir, what I realized that I met a lot of friends and a lot of people who were unemployed, and most of the things like I met a lot of people who were good in cooking Kashmiri cuisine, and there were no opportunities, there were nothing because they were totally dependent on restaurants, and restaurants were only dependent on the tourism. There was no tourism, so everything was down, so they were practically jobless. I created a few restaurants. I was able to sell some ideas, and I did a few restaurants which did very well with partners. So this industry was dying, and because of the electronic heater that came in, everyone switched onto it, and there were a few families which were dependent on making this. I met a guy in Kashmir who asked me that can I buy these kangris from him. And this guy was living in a very small house, in a village house, and I asked him, how many can you make in a month? He said practically 60, because it's all handmade, he cannot make more than 60. He lives with his entire family in that small house. This was something like, I realized, this industry was dying and there's no solution to it, the government doesn't have any solution, because practically everyone is switching to electronics. I converted this kangri into a biryani basket. I did a great photo shoot, and what I did in all my restaurants, I put this kangri wherein I said that our biryani was doing very well actually. So I said if anyone wants a biryani, they'll have to take it in this basket. And suddenly, and then we created a tag which was with every kangri. We said that if you're done with your biryani, this is what you can do with this kangri. You can make it a cookie basket, flower case, things like that, and use it. A lot of people actually started buying this, and because we said we'll only give you biryani if you buy this. So it was this is how you get it also. We were doing 7,000 biryanis per month. And 7,000, and then I called this guy, I said, this is what I'm doing, so how much can you make, how many kangris can you make? I went with cash with this in front of this guy, and this guy realized, he actually started crying, because he had never seen that much of money, and he practically did not sleep for 10 days, that this is what was happening. I realized that, if you understand a few things, and if you can come up with creative solutions, for some small problems, you can really make in a large level positive impact. So this guy was at a point where he bought a few factories, very, very rich now, and a solution was given at that point. This is the restaurant which I did. I engaged a lot of craftsmen from Kashmir, and this restaurant had no interior designer. I led the team, and we did practically, we did this entire thing with passion and love. We used everything in the Kashmiri handicraft and art to do a restaurant. These are gold-plated utensils we did, and very interesting stuff that we did. And another thing which I tried in my restaurant was, there was a movie which came out, which was Shah Rukh Khan's movie. My Name is Khan. I said, I give the service guys the script. And this guy, anytime any guest came into the restaurant, these guys said, hello, my name is Sunny, I am from Jammu and Kashmir, I am not a terrorist and I will serve you. This actually increased the sales, practically, it doubled the sales. People wanted to come to the restaurant only to listen to that script. And over and above that, what we did, there's a very popular newspaper there, Kashmir Times. With everything that is ordered, we also gave a Kashmir Times. People to get to know the reality of Kashmir. While we were doing all of this, I engaged a lot of people into running campaigns on climate change. We engaged a lot of students. Today I have the biggest climate warrior brigade in Jammu and Kashmir, where there are about more than 20,000 young people who have taken a pledge, who've been certified to do a few things that we do as a foundation. And we started, we also realized, there's a common, even though when we're talking about an industry, that's a common, we realize that there's a bigger common also which we need to find a solution to, and we need to engage. Pictures of the restaurant. Again, we did one restaurant. Anyone knows about the shikaras in Kashmir? Those are boats. We did one private dining room totally based on the theme of shikara. It's a private dining room, shikara room, where people can dine in with a water bed with flowers in the middle. Some food presentations we did only to create that attraction for the cuisine so that people get excited, and all of this was being talked out by a lot of media internationally also. This is the board. This is actually a kebab platter. So this is a very popular thing it's a shikara of Kashmir. Again, the same thing. We did spring water of Kashmir. We did saffron cultivation, a lot of things. We started writing about Shami Kapoor, the Yahoo and the Jungli and the pictures and the romance of Kashmir, the Sufism of Kashmir. We did my team. Actually, these guys are from villages, and these guys were brought in, and they had no background in hospitality. We trained them and we engaged them, and they were so supercharged about, and the word spread, and that is how we increased the restaurants also. These are all from villages, and we did events again to project what Kashmir stands for. There's a rich cultural heritage, and about Jammu and Kashmir. We presented. We practically invited a lot of people from 18 countries to engage with the culture in Jammu and Kashmir, just to create that overall global attraction.